Hey there mga may loves, Leo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan mga babes, bago natin simula ng inyong energy check-in, alam mo mga mensahe ang mga meron sa inyo ngayon. Reminders muna tayo na hindi lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga messages na sa tingin mo ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na reading na to for you, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, ba lalaki, LGBT, cause what you show, welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin. And let's see what do we have here for you. So this is for Leo. Spirits and Angel Guides. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. This is for Leo. Tell me something about, oh, Leo, mga babes. Oh, mukhang gustong iparating sa inyo agad-agad. Excited, no? Okay, really, really hot right here. Ace of Cups energy, Two of Coins right here. Meron dito mga babes, no? See, I'm seeing it ending. Mukhang meron dito, no? Lumilitaw ang number 10 doon mga babes, no? Hindi tayo nasa karera, no? Kung bakit nabis ko magsalita. Kasi meron ditong tao na feels like, no, nauubusan siya rito ng time, no? Kasi mukhang ang tagal niya na rito, na nagbaback and forth right here, no? Pero sobrang, no? Lampas-lampasan na, no, yung kanyang emotions for you right here. So, ano kaya ito na maaaring ito ay confession. Yun na nakuha natin dito mga babes, no? So, we have here the Seven of Swords in reverse. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, kung sino man tong energy na to, no? This is definitely the energy here of someone na talaga naman na hindi siya deceptive, no? So, this is something here that is not negative, no? Medyo close off lang siya, no? Kasi this is this type of person na pwedeng nasaktan na rin, no, when it comes to love and relationship. Person nakikita natin dito, no, with the Ace of Cups, na definitely this is a suitor. Or pwede naman, no, na isang tao rito na pwedeng merong emotions and feelings for you. Yan, no? Pero back and forth siya sa situation, no? Kasi nagkakaroon na rito ng parang nape-pressure siya. So, yeah. Definitely, this person is in hangman mode. So, definitely, this person here is, hindi siya makapag-desisyon, pero sure na siya dito pagdating sa kanyang emotions and feelings para sa'yo. Yung iba doesn't have to be revealing of emotions and feelings na pag-amin ng gusto ka niya, like ka niya, no? Pero yung iba, pwedeng merong gustong sabihin sa'yo, no? Yan. Kasi pwedeng yung iba, boyfriend, girlfriend mo na siya, merong gustong sabihin sa inyo. Pero don't worry, kasi it's something positive. Oh, nininervyos, a little bit shy, Leo. Tell me something about this for my Leo. Can you please show us? Okay, let's go ahead and check out other messages for you, Leo. Natagnan na natin ang lahat. Yeah, definitely a communication coming in para maging balanse na, no, pagiging back and forth na yan. So see, I can see it ending with the number 10 kaninang lumitaw, na matatapos rin ang kanya rito ang pag-aagam-agam, no, at magiging balanse na rin dito sa wakas ang kanyang isip, ang kanya ritong damdamin pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, no? So yeah, with the Six of Cups energy, definitely someone here is taking action regarding his or her feelings, emotions, damdamin for you. Walang duda, minamahal kita, yan. Walang iba, Leo. Yan ang sinisigaw ng damdamin nitong person na to para sa'yo, Leo. Six of Cups energy is really standing up at itong pinaka-close up, no? Macro shot ng lahat ng mga tarot ko rito, no, pero itong pinaka-macro shot ng Six of Cups, no, malapit na version, parang zoom in yan, no. Pero munti ko nang sabihin ng micro, so maaaring nagsimula ito, no, matagal na siguro kayo para sa iba, or nagsimula sa talagang maliit na damdamin for you hanggang sa lumaki na ng lumaki at lumalim na ng lumalim, no. Hanggang sa ngayon ay nalulunod na siya. Kaya kung hindi man mga babes na ito umaamin, paamin na siya, no? At kung ano man itong sasabihin niya sa'yo, siguro kinakabahan siya. Pero it's something positive, no? It's something here na parang pwedeng proposal, like getting an engagement coming from this person. You might be receiving here something shiny, coming from this person here, or kung ikaw to na naghihintay ng sagot mula sa kanya and getting a yes. Oh, someone's taking action right here. Two of Cups. This is definitely relationship that we're talking about. Someone here is ready to confess, reveal, talk to you. This is an adult communication. Usapang matanda ito na pagdating sa emotions and feelings like, will you marry me? Yeah. A very emotional message coming from the heart. That's what I'm picking up for you. Leo, yeah. Yeah, this is a future. This is a near future right here. I'm seeing it happening to you guys in the upcoming days. Might be 3 weeks from now, or might be 3 days for others of you. So whatever the case may be, it's coming. Someone here is about to spill the tea that he or she loves you, wants to be together with you in his or her lifetime's journey. Like, wala akong ibang minamahal, kundi ikaw lang, Leo, walang iba. So, yeah. That's definitely good news. Yeah. And yeah, so magte-take ng risk, magte-take ng chance with the full right here. Ready na siya to conquer the world here with you. At mas ready na siya na kanya rito na pagtagumpayan yan. Nahirapan sa Tagalog. Pagtagumpayan ang kanyang sarili dahil nga sabi ko sa inyo, may nervyo siyang nararamdaman dito. No, yun ang nakukuha ko dito. But this person is about to take this risk, take a chance kasi nape-pressure siya, ayaw kanyang mawala sa kanyang life. Gusto niya na magpatuloy ang inyong magandang samahan at sitwasyon. Gusto niya maging parte ka ng kanyang life. Okay? Gusto niya maging mom or dad ka ng kanyang anak. Okay? Your children right here. Yeah, definitely the time is coming. Fortune's wheel in a bright position. Everything here is in alignment right here. I think your love life is being highlighted here, Leo. So definitely someone here around you is definitely getting serious. Seryoso siya sa'yo. So yeah, Queen of Cups. Minamahal kita. Yeah. I don't know why I'm hearing that song. Anumang dahil hindi mahalaga. Basta't sinasamba kita. Yeah, is that it? So whatever the case may be, no, pwedeng marami rin na may ayaw ng relationship na ito or pwedeng may tutol sa inyong dalawa pero hindi na mapipigilan pa ang bugso ng damdamin sapagkat walang ibang sinisigaw ang kanyang puso kundi ikaw. Alam mo, pwedeng mahilig siya sa poetry, baka mahilig rin siyang sumulat ng mga kanta, or baka mahilig siya sa music, or baka nakatrabaho siya sa music industry, may pagkamakata, no? So whatever the case may be, whoever this individual is, definitely an energy here of someone who is totally in love with you. This is someone here who will nurture this connection here together with you guys for a while. Right? No, I'm sorry about that mga babes, no? Kasi pinapakinggan ko, baka may Shopee. Oo, umorder din ako sa 11.11. Ano kayo lang? Abang-abang din ako. Ayun, kasi may kumakatok, tapos may gumagawa din sa kabilang bahay. So, hindi natin ma-distinguish kung katok ba ito or pukpok ng martilyo. Pero ituloy na nga natin ito, no? So, yeah, there could be some kind of an age difference right here. This could be someone here younger than you, but doesn't have to be. But definitely, this person here is stable pagdating sa kanyang emotions and feelings for you. This is someone here na nakikita ka na ikaw ang namumukod tanging isang rosas para sa kanyang paningin. Four of Coins energy. This person here is someone na iti-treasure ka talaga. Yeah. Yeah! Treasure! Yeah, Bruno Mars energy. Bruno Mars song, yeah, no. So this person here could be someone here artistic, maaring magaling mag-painting, or doesn't have to be na crayons or paintbrush or oil painting lamang, no? Pwede rin naman na visual arts na magaling siya sa mga flower arrangement. I'm also seeing that. Maybe hobby niya yun or what. Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng single mom or baka kayo single mom or single dad. This person is actually accepting your anak, okay, wholeheartedly na parang kanya. So definitely, love is really okay, what I'm smelling in this reading of yours. So yeah, definitely, Leo, you've got someone here who's totally, okay, wanna give the world to you because I think ikaw na talaga ang mundo niya. Yan, no? Puro pagmamahal, ang maganda rito, puro pagmamahal na may kasama rito na parang alam mo yung damdamin niya na parang puro, no, na hindi ka niya kayang saktan. Parang ayaw niya nga palapitin yung lamok sa'yo eh. So baka bumili siya, no, sa 11.11 ng mosquito, ano, yung parang raketa. Yan. So, baka meron din dito, no, na nag-add to cart at chineck out, no, nung 11/11 sa ating mga online shops. Yan, mga business. So, yeah. And you know what? I'm also getting right here, no, kakapasok lang na mensahe, no, na maaaring meron kayo ditong itatry, no, na something here. Okay, and I'm seeing you na igagrab nyo yun. Yan. No? Pwedeng opportunity yun. It could be anything, okay? For others of you, it could be something here na nakikita ko na may success doon. So, pwedeng may oportunidad na paparating sa inyo. Nakikita ko na igagrab nyo yun, pwedeng sa trabaho or pera. Nakikita ko yung tagumpay dyan. Sa iba, doesn't have to be that case, pero baka merong ditong new interest, new hobby na makakuha ng atensyon mo. I'm seeing you na magugustuhan mo yun. Tapos, nakikita ko na parang i-incline mo na yung sarili mo. Like, kunwari, ito yung bagong sports, no? Trinay mo lang, hindi mo pa na-try ever, no? Tapos nagustuhan mo, nakikita ko na parang every week gusto mo na maglaro ng ganong sports yan, no? Or anything. Yan, no? I'm seeing you trying something here, taking a chance, okay? And, okay, nakikita ko na magde-dwell ka dun. Yan, no? Yung iba baka kaadikan nyo pa yan. Yan, no? Like literally, ito yung nakaka-addict na healthy naman for you, okay? Yung parang lumalabas dito yung pagiging creative mo or yung inner child mo, no, na parang nagiging playful ka like a child, no. So it's something healthy naman for you. So yeah, definitely Leo, these are all the messages we've got for you, honey. Thank you so much. Sarang ngayon love and life. Annyeong.